Are you a trauma survivor who wishes to prevent others from experiencing the same pain? If you're looking to become a trauma healer but feel uncertain about where to begin, I'm here to guide you. As a psychosomatic well-being spiritual health specialist with over 20 years of experience, I've helped thousands live trauma-free lives. Join my exclusive 7-day online trauma healing course, where you'll gain essential knowledge about trauma and its dangers. You'll learn modern tools and techniques to become an effective healer, engage in trauma mapping activities to trace your own experiences, and master mind-body techniques for self-empowerment. Trauma healing refers to the process of recovering from the emotional, psychological, and sometimes physical impact of traumatic experiences. Trauma can arise from events such as abuse, violence, accidents, natural disasters, or deeply distressing personal experiences. Healing involves addressing the pain, rebuilding a sense of safety, and integrating the experience in a way that promotes resilience and well-being. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Reserve your spot now. WhatsApp 898-983-2149. Discover how to unlock your potential for fame and financial success as a trauma healer, and participate in guided activities to uncover hidden childhood traumas. This is your chance to transform lives, including your own. Reserve your spot now for just 5,999 rupees and embark on a journey of healing and empowerment.